Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to search using the new DTL catalog. As you can see, it looks relatively similar to the old one. Um, right here, you'll notice there's a selectable drop-down where you can choose between everything, which includes the entire DTL catalog, books and journals, which will limit your search to just books and journals as it says, or articles, meaning articles within journals or chapters within books. So you can change this once you start searching, so it's not a big deal if you do it now. So I normally just stick with everything. Once you're there, you just put in the keyword that you want to search for. In this instance, we'll use this term, and then it will pull up your results. And like I said before, you can limit it right here at the top. So if you just want to look for books, click on books, or if you're looking for articles, if you don't want images of the topic, you can click on that. Or if there's videos that you want to look for on that topic, you can click there as well. There's also other filters here. If you click on the all filters, you can narrow it down to subjects. If there's a certain author that comes up on this isn't every author, this is just from the top search results. If there's a certain resource type, so like up here, you can also find it in here. If there's a certain database that you're interested in, you can narrow it down to this. So Oxford, JSTOR, HathiTrust, things like that. You can also do it by creation date. So this means when it was published. So for example, if you wanted to limit it to things post the year 2000, you could do that. And down here, you would apply the filters. If there's a certain language that you're looking for, you can narrow it down there. So if you want to get rid of anything besides English, or if there's a certain language in particular you'd like to find resources in, you can do that. And you can also expand the results. If you click on this, it will expand it to results that are not in the DTL catalog. So it'll show things that aren't in there. That you'll be able to distinguish this by if it says available online or if there's no online access. We also have an advanced search. So if you click on this, this will come out and you can add other fields. So for example, if you wanted any field, or if you wanted a title, if you wanted atonement in the title, and if you had a certain author in mind, you could add that author. You could also limit it in here as well to books, journals, articles, etc. Do the language here, and then a date range for when it was published, and then search. So basically, what you can do after, you can do it in there as well. We also have what is called the Ask Anything. So if you click on this, you can basically write a sentence and it will customize your search based on that. So if I went books on atonement written in the last 5 years, and then it will do that for me. And if you go into this edit button, excuse me, if you hit that generated query, you can see all the different booleans and descriptors that it added to make that. And so you can see books written in there. As always, if you do have any questions, you can always create a ticket with us by coming here, clicking contact the DTL, putting your name, email, institution, and how we can help you. And we will get back to you as soon as we can. Hope you have a wonderful day.